Anyways guys, well not anyways, hello guys, it's a brand new day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Zoisha, and it's my birthday weekend. So babe is dealing with a police officer. Apparently he was speeding. Or whatever. Him not listen when I talk, so who don't hear must feel. Or whatever, but he's taking me somewhere for my birthday. Apparently I have cake around here, so balloon. I have other things around here, so apparently we can't see anything till tomorrow. Big up Tears by Sweetness or Tears of Sweetness for working with babe. I guess them did do them things together and all these things. So yeah, so that we are doing right now. We literally just got on the 12 and then this happened. So yeah, that's what's up for now. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know when I'll go. I'm pretty sure, well, I don't know. My bags are packed, so I know we're going to stay somewhere overnight. That's about it. Like, that's about it. And this was not planned, as you guys know. I don't even want to get into it because there's so much more now to the story in terms of me being here in Jamaica and traveling and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, but when more interesting stuff happens, or when I get to my destination, wherever that is, whenever that is, I will come back and speak with you guys, okay? Bye. Candice unruly. See, don't try that. So guys, as you can see, well, we're in Trelawney right now. Babe, you gonna tell me where we're going? You gonna tell me now, or I just have to wait until we get there?
No.
What? No what? I have to wait until we get there? The money I play with in life. I'm gonna run for road.
On the road, wait, so.
Yeah. So guys, yeah, should be there in like, should be there soon. I'm gonna let Babe take over the vlog because he knows, he planned this whole thing, so well, like, I'll let him when we get there.
Ocean Coral Spring.
That's where we're going? That's where we're going? Okay.
Resort life.
Okay. I guess Babe can't want it nothing. But wait till I get there. So I'm going to a resort, guys. Oh my god, cute outfits. Why you never just tell me say a resort, sir? So I could have packed rides. Oh man, so what you not saying to me? Okay, alright. We'll follow the GPS, y'all coming on lost. So a resort, me I got people, me I got near, yeah girl. Oh my god. I'm excited!
Excitement!
Champagne campaign?
Champagne birthday.
Everybody cups up! Hey, everybody! Oh, you guys can see my belly. Thank you, Jesus, Father God. You guys, this outfit came to Jamaica twice already. Well, this is the second time, but we never wear it the first time. You guys should remember it from a haul that I did the last time I came to Jamaica.
Oh, yeah.
Or before I came to Jamaica.
And I say, I mean,
you didn't come. I'm never gonna wear to go wear it. No. Colors are popping. Yeah. Sanaya Bees, I think that's the name of the company. I don't know. I follow them on Instagram, but yeah, she has some cute stuff. So yeah, girl. I did tip on the GPS that we were getting closer, so you know I had to take out my little rods and stuff like that, cause you know a girl gotta be cute all weekend. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Champagne.
Okay. Anyways, no, on that. But anyway, champagne all weekend because it's a girl's champagne birthday. She'll be turning 31 on the 31st. I've been waiting for this all my life. All my life, from I found out about champagne birthdays, I've been waiting for this all my life. Me, I want to know why I'm out for wait till the 31st.
I never know about it on part, am I one part?
Yeah, party tomorrow, no? Me just hope nobody no flower me. That's all. I hope nobody no flower me. He's right. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when I get to where place called again?
Ocean Coral Spring Resort.
Ocean Coral Springs
Resort.
I think I've seen it. I think I've seen it on like a couple places that I follow that do hotel stuff.
Yeah, man.
But we'll see. All I know is Rio, Iberostar, Hilton, Holiday Inn, Amelia Braco,
Coral Spring Posh. For all who don't know, check it out on Instagram, YouTube, Google, everywhere.
Yeah. Okay.
Bossy.
Okay. Royalton. Where else do I know? Sandals, beaches. Where else do I know? What is it? Demacarin? What's the hotel name? The one that starts with a D? Democarin? Is it Democarin? I forgot Gulu. No. You must know it, man. Anyways, people. We are driving our rain, as you can see. So I'm going to go help the people them focus on the road because them can't see alone. I have to help them. I have to be eyes on the road as well. So, yeah. When I get closer, I will let you guys know and I will come back and show you guys. I'm excited!
After that's where we check in from, right? Alright.
Okay.
First time here?
Yes.
You have visa being a man Ocean Coral Spring. Okay.
People my hotter than the people them man. Got 36. I'm at 35.5. I'm in here I freeze.
Here, whatever.
OMG. This is definitely a prettier drive than Rio. The landscaping is everything.
And the Jamaica. Yeah, so I come take picture when I'm ready, you know. You go. Yeah, nah, Ocean Coral Springs. Birthday flight.
Babe, go! Park!
Come back, big park.
OMG. Thank you, babe. This is the best. I'm excited. Boy. Anyways, guys, as you can see, we have arrived. We're gonna go look parking and take out what Kuchument them.
That's why I never want to go too far if you ever take out them.
There's parking right here. It looks very quiet. I'm gonna drop. Ooh, people were fancy. So enough is enough, sir? Hold on there. Let me get some hand sanitizer. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Let me sanitize the bags, please.
Oh, sure.
How are you doing today?
Good.
Thanks for coming.
No problem. Thanks for having us.
Hi, David, alright?
Okay.
You coming from far?
Portmore is far. Portmore is far.
Right on the corner, man. Right on the corner. See you home at last.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh,
Jesus.
alright.
Oh, guys, bags were sanitized. Oh, Jesus, people. What am I there? I know Jamaica this.
Right, so normally we serve rum punch or fruit punch for welcome cocktails.
Okay.
Which one would you prefer?
Fruit punch.
Rum punch. Don't answer for me, bro.
No, no alcohol. You have alcohol. Yeah.
Wait, no, babe. Y'all, we get welcome drinks and everything. What's it not saying? What do people don't carry me to? What's it not saying to me, man? Wow, you guys, the ambiance. It's very different from Rio. Can't tell you that for sure. Like, it feels very... it feels very 31. It feels very 31. So, but yo. It nice. It nice, bad. But him take with my bag, only. Only I got
I do my tour and everything. Him say I'm a tour guide.
That's not what he said.
Official, yeah.
He never said he's our tour guide.
Yeah, see nobody here.
Anyways, catch
Something
me.
wrong with it, yes. You know a picture?
Not yet. It's not that serious yet. But yes, guys, we have arrived to Ocean Coral.
Pretty on the screen though, here I glow.
For my birthday weekend.
Curl them out.
Courtesy of Husbae. Big up yourself anyway there. I don't mean to take advantage of you.
What is the issue?
And all these things. You might look girl. And that you might do.
Oh.
You might look girl.
Well, that's all over about. Oh my. What
It's
is?
because I'm supposed to help me go and go in my room.
Oh my, what think of me, yes. So that the man have to put in to work and next thing the man in the upside and I foreign. I said I'm working, I feel I'm around boy. Yeah.
So you forgot to hotel work.
They are the most foreign man.
That's how you forgot to hotel work.
There's some more foreign man.
Yeah.
And the flooring.
Like I love black and white.
Yeah, the floor.
You guys know how much I love black.
Just have a buzz.
Anyways, folks, we are waiting to check in. When I check in and more interesting things are occurring or happenings, I will come back to you guys. Okay? So do we have access to the other one, the Eden one? Like how they're two in one? Because there's two resorts. There's Ocean Coral and Ocean Coral, Ocean Eden or whatever the case may be. I never realized. Hello.
Like a glass of fruit punch or rum punch?
Rum punch for me, please. This one?
Rum. Yeah, welcome.
Cheers.
Cheers, that's all. I don't get the cheers for my thing. I don't get the cheers. All this. Cheers to your birthday weekend.
Cheers! Oh Oh, we're supposed to look at each other or have 7 years of bad sex. Look at me.
Yeah, look. Yeah, good sex. Ocean there.
I feel welcome. You never do this for me. No, I'm not. They never gave me no welcome drink. They never gave me no welcome
drink.
drink.
Different. Before COVID, they used to give juice and do that.
You're bright. We're gonna check in and come back, okay? Okay. Alright guys, done checking. Going to our room. I'm excited. They're very, very profesh here. Like very, very professional.
You don't mind getting a little work?
No. It's not that bad.
Basically, most of the activities on this side. You can see going to the east.
Okay.
We have bowling, we have a sports bar, we have about like 10 restaurants. 10? Yeah, that's a whole lot. Whole lot to choose from.
Oh gosh. You recommend any?
I recommend on the red snapper or the marker.
Okay.
Red snapper, yeah, but
This down that way.
The which?
Oh. Yes. The red snapper.
Okay.
This building is yours.
Ooh. This is my building, y'all. This is mine.
Yes. And behind that building you find the laser.
Oh, laser.
Yes.
And what about the gym?
Yeah man, gym is over there. Like I said, everything else is over here.
Okay. Alright. I mean, well, we're gonna explore anyways, so we figure it out too. Boy.
And next time if you bring in the kids,
No kids. No kids. No kids. No kids.
No, we don't have side for ourselves.
no.
Oh God.
God,
I mean, I'm a kid. Technically. This is pretty.
Alright, so we're on the fourth floor, third floor.
1433?
14?
Yeah.
Fourth floor.
Fourth floor. Alright.
I always on the Africa, you know.
Boy. It's pretty, y'all.
Should be a nice view also.
Yeah, the view quite high. Yeah, that's
It's very pretty. Very modern. Very.
It's almost dinner time.
So I go straight to dinner.
Yes, dinner is at
6.
Yeah, straight to dinner.
You go ahead before you close.
What? Equipment there, and can't see myself people in all much squares. Cheer now? Oh, yeah, I'm good.
You come in? You good? You can hold it now? Alright.
We reach, people. We reach. We got almost the second highest. No, it's like nice. Bad. Jesus! And so people, number one, I should stay at number one. Wow.
You know what's the name of the feet then?
Yeah, classic. Somebody orders the name, man.
Wow, you guys.
Over there, this is part of the adult section.
Yeah. Okay, come
This is 14, 13.
33.
14.
No man, I not even feel like me there at hotel.
That's why that's a garden.
Yeah. Garden is it? Yeah. It's still nice.
Still nice time for us to come view with us.
Yeah, and if you want to go down, I can get to the right here.
Okay, wow. Okay.
Right.
So 4.
Thank you.
Come now.
Jadi perbuatan nggak elok, seperti pan.
Bumbo.
Yeah.
Bumbo. Oh, yoy. Hey! We reach, you know, people, we reach. Oh my god! No! What you not saying? Where am I? This is not Jamaica. This is not Jamaica, but it says map of Jamaica, so it has to be Jamaica, right, people? Oh my god! This is so nice.
This is your home away from home.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Nice view also.
Oh shoot. Okay, yeah, it isn't bad actually. Jesus.
I love this to call it a lake.
Oh my god, it's pretty.
Cool.
That's not bad.
Yeah. It's nice.
Stay there.
Can still hear the ocean. Y'all, this is so pretty. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Alright, so just checking my friend them.
Hey. We're home away from home. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh.
I'm like, look over and
Oh.
that's
I know. I know. Yo, holy, this is pretty. No, this hotel nice. Baby, you have to come look at. You have to come here, come look work. You have to come here, come get the next work, so we can come here for discounted price. What?
So, you soon here.
All right, thank you so much. All right, you too. Hey, birthday weekend starting now. People, why is it not saying it's my birthday? Hey, hey. It's my birthday. 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 It's my... Yo, you guys, this is so freaking nice. Okay, you guys, quick room tour.
Zoisha.
Can I help you?
Room tour.
What are you looking for?
Zoisha, I can't put it.
Who is she?
I don't know.
What is it? What's so special about this weekend?
Birthday girl.
Stop.
Happy pre-birthday. Birthday you can't celebrate one day, you know.
This is not real. You cannot yell.
I know, say enough people birthday to call the brother what have cake as their birthday.
Anyways, guys, let me guys show you the room that babe hooked up for me for my birthday. Y'all, come in,
Yeah, come baby.
Come in. So, we are at Ocean Coral Spring. You guys, as you can see, turn around, show them the door. This is what it looks like when you walk in. When you walk in, you know, you have the AC thermostat here, lights here, bright lights.
Wow, you look good now.
Yes, you have lights, right?
Light
As
look
you
good
walk
for you.
in,
Closets.
not just
Umbrella.
a regular closet, you know. If you want steamer, you have steamer.
I'm coming on my white shirt, you know, for
They
dinner.
have a sewing kit for you. Don't watch that. They have a sewing kit for you in case anything tear. Look at that. Which hotel does that for you? Okay, and what is this here?
I'm not getting a free stay, you know, so.
Shoe polish, y'all. You guys know Jamaica lives for shoe. Y'all, you even get an
umbrella if rain, and rain actually a
and
fall
rain
now.
is falling.
So can we bring it when we go dinner?
Oh my. All right, come over. Wait. Don't show anything. Come over here. Nice, clean windows.
Sexy, you know, mirror though.
Yeah, you know. So you can get those pictures right before you head outside. You know what I'm saying? You can get those pictures right before you head outside. Right before you head outside. You can't get them pictures right before you head outside. So yeah, you have this part right here, so. Alright, so the mini fridge, yeah. Boom. Mini fridge. Them said them are gonna come and put, you know, liquor and sitting in there. You have the safe over here. Yeah. Coffee mate over here. Well on there. Alright, now. This is the first time me I'm going there. We don't know too. Well, I'm not gonna out and come back in again. Hold on. Hi, welcome to the bathroom. Wow.
This is a bath, you know?
This is a tub.
You can't go in a tub, I'm never going in a tub
You
yet.
should have bring your Epsom salt. You guys, wow, look at this. Wow, like, I mean, the quality. They give us cups to rinse out our mouths, brother.
Foreign business.
2 sinks.
You know see this,
You know what I'm
you know see
saying?
this.
What do the tour me are you?
Hold on, continue.
Shower.
Double shower too.
Overhead. Shower. People, the shower will come over my head. Speechless. I don't know what to say. And then I guess this is the, wow, toilet. So if your shit stink, you can't lock it up.
Just
You
like
all
that.
have phone in case your shit too hard and you need help. You can call somebody to come and help you. Oh God, alright. More closet space. What
And
about
drawers,
space there,
drawer
people? Yeah.
You have a standing
You have a
mirror.
next
So you can look clean
mirror.
outside.
So okay guys, the bed.
I like that there for this.
Huh?
My next switch there, see next light there. But probably there by next side.
Okay. We'll figure that out. Eventually. See, bedroom mirror, people. This is the bed. And they were so gracious to put a map of Jamaica right above our heads. But you guys, I love this bed. I was just telling babe I want a canopy bed so bad. I can't even get a good picture to give you guys good just. Yeah. And then the living area, like, you guys, this nice. This never happens so nice. Yeah, this never happens so nice. All right, see you next slide here. So oh, that's for the fan. Okay, so we're finding the lights or whatever. But next view. Yes, you guys, and it's spacious. Like, there is so much room in here. I feel like the space in here, although it is a suite as well, but I just feel like, yo. And then the balcony, y'all. I never thought I'd see the day where I would see a wicker chair again, but here we are. And then the view. Again, we lucked out. As much as it's not fully ocean, it's partial. And we get Lake River. Look at this, guys. Like, wow.
Movie I sing, yeah? So we can do that every morning. And sleep.
Yo, this is nice.
Late there. Cool there. I'm saying all the kids like that.
I was not expecting all of this. This is a nice. This is a nice. Love it. So yeah, guys, that is where I will be staying. And yeah, I'm gonna figure some stuff out now and come back and talk to you guys and take you guys on this weekend with me. So I'll be back.
Long distance loving, I don't really see you often, but every time when I see you I give you this something. My jack and down from this long thing.